For this block, we're changing colours again. We're sticking to double crochet, but this time we are changing colours in the middle of the row, so that split comes up the middle of the block. It's not difficult to do, and it's very similar to changing your colours as you did in your last block, but it is a little bit more fiddly until you get the knack of it. First of all, we need to start off with the copper. Make 4 chain. For your 5th chain, pull your new colour through. Make sure your loop doesn't get too big for your copper one. Then make another 6 chain. Because we're doing double crochet and we want 10 stitches, we also need a turning chain which gives us 11. As with your regular double crochet, insert your hook into the 2nd chain from the hook, yarn over and work your double crochet. Work your next 3 double crochet in exactly the same way. On your 5th stitch, insert your hook, yarn over and through, then carefully drop the colour you're using. Make sure you don't pull your copper chain down here too tight, and pull it through those 2 loops. Now this is where it can get a little bit fiddly, but just on this row. Insert your hook under that bar, because that is instead of the back bump that you would normally have. The other thing is put your peach over the top of it just to anchor it. Yarn over and pull it through, and then finish off your double crochet. You now have another 4 to make. And that's your first row. Now turn, chain and work your first 4 stitches as normal. In your 5th stitch, insert your hook, yarn over and through, drop the colour you're using and pick up your other colour, pull it through, and then work your final 5 stitches as normal. Now this sets your pattern for all the way through. We just need to chain and turn, work 4 stitches, insert your hook in your 5th stitch, yarn over and through, and finish off your stitch in the other colour. Then work 5 stitches. Okay, now you don't need to listen to me waffling all the way through this, so I'm going to speed up the video while I work the other 8 rows. there we have 11 rows. You can now cut your peach yarn, remembering to leave a long enough end to sew in, and then carry on with the border. For the border, 1 chain and turn. Remember that we have 10 stitches and we need 11. 2 in the first stitch, and then 1 in each of the 9 across the top. Then 2 chain. Then 1 stitch in each row down the side. And 2 chain. Then we need 11 stitches across the bottom, and we have 10. Again, we want 2 in the first one, and then 1 in each of the other 9 across the bottom. Two chain, and finally 1 in each row up the side. Finish off with 2 chain and slip stitch to your first stitch. Then you can cut your yarn and fasten off.